In today's video, we will be talking about 11 concepts you haven't seen before. Number 11. Volkswagen Sedric. Sedric is an autonomous vehicle. It is an acronym for self-driving cars. It is Volkswagen's first Level 5 vehicle, meaning it can perform all driving tasks independently. With just the touch of a button, Sedric can be summoned to go anywhere. It was designed as a personal assistant. You could even talk to Sedric about traffic and arrival time. Sedric produces no emissions while driving and reduces accident rates by removing human error. Sedric is expected to be on the road by 2025. Number 10. Aether Cruise Experience. The Aether Cruise Experience was designed by the UK-based designer Mac Byers. It allows guests to experience a wide range of destinations in a shorter time, and while on the trip, they get to enjoy some of the greatest views imaginable. The exterior of the vehicle is made to look different from any airship ever made. The concept was influenced by Star Wars, the Thunderbird II, and the NASA Space Shuttle, and it visually speaks of a new generation airship. The interior space has tables and stairways and is designed to be as open as possible, encouraging social interaction and also a combined meeting spot for users. Number 9. OIII System. The OIII System was created by a group of designers from Russia. It stands out for its versatility. It comes in 3 modules: for passengers that look like a bus stop on wheels, for cargo with insulated storage compartments, and for an all-purpose reminiscent of a cab. These forms of mobility could change our everyday life if they offer enough speed, confidence, and simplicity. Number 8. BMW XM. The BMW XM is designed to fuse the sporty heritage that the BMW M is known for and the luxurious comfort of the BMW 7 Series. This concept has a V8 engine, a plug-in hybrid powertrain, and an electric motor that produces 750 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. The battery also offers 25.7 kilowatt-per-hour capacity, is good for about 50 miles of electric motoring, and will provide speeds up to 87 miles per hour. Inside, you'll get smart driving technologies and assistance features. The OS will support your smartphone and give you a full range of connected features. Number 7. Leto Titan Cosmos. According to the author of this concept, this ship will be used to mine materials on the moon and different asteroids. It also helps people in carrying out a more thorough study of the solar system. The manufacturers suggest printing some of the ship's components on a 3D printer, which when combined with reusable boosters will cost expenses. The payload of this system is 37,479 pounds, and with a special mother spacecraft, it will take about 39 days to reach Mars. Number 6. Equuleus. Equuleus is an interesting concept from a designer from Taiwan. It is a patrol motorcycle ideal for work in mountains, forests, and areas it is impossible to reach by car. The main feature of this concept is the ease to carry removable units for storing equipment. There are 5 of them with a total capacity of 45 gallons. This vehicle looks a bit rough, but the manufacturers assure you that it will be comfortable to ride even on the ground. It comes with a 40-horsepower engine with up to 186 miles of range. Instead of a dashboard, it has a colored display and support for wireless charging technology. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are enjoying the content. Number 5. Dacia Manifesto. This is an essential vehicle with a robust and eco-smart design. According to the manufacturers, it is designed as an off-road vehicle with a high ride height and a body built to withstand being knocked around. The vehicles have no doors, windows, or windshields. The interior of the vehicle is entirely waterproof, so you can wash it out with a hose. The Manifesto's construction was built entirely with eco-friendly materials. All the main plastic body parts contain recycled material called Starkle, which inherently produces a flecked effect. Number 4. Eva. This concept reminds us of a spaceship. The ship is 771 feet long and is about the length of 2 soccer fields. In addition to the cabin, it has 7 levels, a small park, a recreation area with a swimming pool, a museum, and even an amphitheater. The ship will also help passengers learn more about the sea, ecology, and environmental protection. Number 3. Seaffinity. Seaffinity is a yacht from the future created by a naval architectural firm from France. The boat is 148 feet long and is targeted toward people who are not interested in classic yachts due to the pollution they produce. That's why this concept has a hybrid engine that is powered by electricity produced by a fuel cell and hydrogen, and two ocean wing sails that move the yacht with the force of the wind. Number 2. Citroen OLI. Citroen OLI has been designed to be as lightweight as possible to boost its range. It is made from sustainable materials and built with affordability in mind. The front end is equipped with some clever vents that direct air around the windscreen and also a C-shaped LED light. The windscreen is completely flat to keep manufacturing costs down. In addition, the Citroen OLI concept has a relatively small 40 kWh battery, but the claimed range is about 248 miles. The vehicle weighs 1,000 kg and is limited to 68 miles per hour. Number 1. Kamaz 2031. The Kamaz 2031 is a concept from the future designed by a Russian 3D artist. This concept reminds us of the Steinwinter supercargo. The main feature of this concept is that the truck rotates 360 degrees and it can also park by itself, which is a great option in tight spaces.